This is a Sonon Pearl on measurements and text. Acquire your image, freeze the image, access measurements in the bottom left. You may select length, angle, ellipse, volume, or text. Tap one point, then the other point. In this case, 1.4 centimeters, 1.7 centimeters. You also may select an ellipse. This may be useful in highlighting certain anatomical abnormalities, rather than measuring something purely to determine its elliptical size. To write text on the screen, tap the text button. A text box will appear. You may drag with your finger the text to the desired anatomical region.